Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Suzuki V-Strom 650. This one has ABS brakes, and it is in beautiful condition, only 680 miles. It's got an adjustable GV windscreen, bark busters, a rear GV trunk that comes with the bike. It's not on it right now, but you're gonna get a nice big 46-liter trunk. Perfect showroom condition. Beautiful white with metallic paint scheme. V-twin, fuel injected 650 V-Strom. This is the bike you've been waiting for, and it's priced to sell quickly at only $79.90. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.